How to draw Mrs. Claus. To begin drawing Mrs. Claus, we are going to draw the outline of her face. This is the right side of her face. Now we're going to draw the left side and connect it at the bottom where her chin is. Great job! Now right above the left side of her face, we're going to draw her ear. This will be a small C-like shape. Now we're going to draw her glasses. We will start right above the ear that we just drew and draw a small diagonal line going downwards. Then to the right of that line, we will draw an oval. Then to the right of that oval, we will draw a small curved line. This will be the middle of the glasses that goes over the nose. And now we will draw another oval connecting to that small curved line we just drew. Then the last step for the glasses will be drawing a little small line connecting the glasses to the right side of the face. If you are enjoying this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Next, we're going to draw her nose. We will draw the bridge of her nose above the middle part of her glasses, and then we will draw the bottom of her nose below the middle part of the glasses. Great job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Now we're going to draw her eyes. We will start by drawing the right eye. Above the glasses, we will draw an oval-like shape for the outline of the eye. Now we will draw the pupil. We will draw a small curved line in the middle of the eye and color in the left side black, leaving a small circle white. Looks awesome! Now we're going to draw the left eye the same way that we just drew the right eye. Near the outside corner of each eye, we are going to add 3 small lines to give Mrs. Claus some eyelashes. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Mrs. Claus is looking awesome. Now we're going to draw her hairline. To do this, we'll use many small curved lines connecting the left ear to the right side of the face. Now we will begin drawing the rest of Mrs. Claus's hair. Before we finish drawing the top part of her hair, we're going to add in a mistletoe hairpiece. To draw this hair accessory, we're going to start by drawing 3 small circles attached to each other. Next, we're going to draw 2 mistletoe leaves. If you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorial videos, make sure to subscribe. Looks great! Now inside of each leaf we're going to add a few lines for detail. Awesome job! Now we only have a few more steps until we're all done drawing Mrs. Claus. Now we're going to finish drawing her hair. For our drawing, we're making Mrs. Claus's hair look like it's up in a messy bun, so we'll draw many curved lines to create this look. We will also add a few lines throughout her hair for detail. Next, we're going to draw a curved line above each one of Mrs. Claus's eyes. These will be for her eyebrows. Lastly, for a finishing detail, we're going to give Mrs. Claus an earring. We're going to draw a small circle on the bottom part of her ear. This is how to draw Mrs. Claus. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.